How's it going, everyone? My name is Chad Bartlett and I'm the marketing director of Builderall, and welcome to the 90-day marketing challenge. Now, what's going to happen in this challenge, there's different training sections, okay? We have a beginner training section, we have an intermediate training section, we have an advanced training section, and we have a super affiliate training section. And these different training sections are split off by different sections depending on how many sales you have with Builderall, okay? So for example, we're in the beginner training section right now. So if you get 3 sales with Builderall, you'll automatically unlock the intermediate training section, okay? And the intermediate training section is going to be more advanced stuff on building actual funnels, doing email marketing. This beginner training section is just to show you how to get some sales, make some money quick with Builderall, and then we go into some more advanced stuff, okay? Intermediate, then advanced, and super affiliate, and we get into some of the most high advanced training sections you'll ever see. And all you have to do is get sales with Builderall. You'll automatically get these training sections for free, and all you have to do is get sales. So it's actually a win-win for everyone, because that way you don't have to go spend $500, $1,000 on different courses. I will literally be walking you through everything on how to promote Builderall, and this can also apply to any products, okay? Because the way online marketing works, it's the same concept for any products you promote. It's just a little bit different. But anyways, I did want to cover a few things. You might be wondering, who are you? So my name is Chad Bartlett. I am the marketing director of the company Builderall, which is a digital